This is the Aerographics Fairey Firefly. This kit was marketed as a rubber powered model, and I'm going to convert it eventually to radio control. All provision for the radio control has been incorporated into the model. The servo arches are there, all the control surfaces are movable, and also the structure has been beefed up ready. At the moment it's got the scale propeller for static purposes. All I need to do to fly it is remove that propeller, place the rubber band onto the flying propeller, and that's the conversion done. It's a beautiful kit, it really is. A little bit flimsy in places, but I managed to beef it up anyway. What I'm going to do is to fly it first as a rubber powered model, trim it out, and then make my decision as regards the radio conversion later. But it's a very attractive Fleet Air Arm aeroplane, and I'm very pleased the way it's come out.